ये है इवोल्यूशन का पीवाईक्यू। तो इसमें देखना पहला क्वेश्चन था कि आफ्टर अबाउट हाउ मेनी इयर्स ऑफ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द अर्थ लाइफ अपीयर्ड ऑन दिस प्लैनेट। इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी 500 मिलियन ईयर्स। नेक्स्ट है कि फ्रॉम एक्सपेरिमेंट एफएल मिलर प्रोड्यूस्ड अमीनो एसिड द by mixing the following in a closed flask. Then for ऑप्शन डी CH4 H2NA3 and water vapor at 40 degrees Celsius. But variation caused by the mutation is proposed by the Hugo Brea. Then for ऑप्शन ए रैंडम था, डायरेक्शनलेस था। फिर आते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द ह्यूगो डी ब्री द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ इवोल्यूशन इज आंसर ऑप्शन बी सॉल्टेशन, बी जाएगा। फिर आता है कि फॉलोइंग आर द टू स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द लाइफ। तो आउट ऑफ द अबव स्टेटमेंट व्हिच ऑफ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। तो पहला हो जाएगा कि दूसरा, इसमें आंसर क्या जाएगा ऑप्शन बी कि बोथ 1 and 2 आर करेक्ट। तो अर्लीस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट अपीयर्ड ऑन द अर्थ वे नॉन ग्रीन एंड प्रिमली एनो सही है। द फर्स्ट ऑटोट्रॉपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म वे द केमोटोट्रॉफ्स दैट नेवर रिलीज ऑक्सीजन। तो पहला एंड दूसरा हो जाएगा करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ द इवेंट्स इन द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द लाइफ। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, पहला हो जाएगा दूसरा सिंथेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक मोनोमर्स, तीसरा सिंथेसिस ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक पॉलीमर्स, और उसके बाद फिर आएगा पहला फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्रोटोबॉन्ड, फिर आएगा चौथा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डीएनए बेस्ड जेनेटिक सिस्टम। Next, which of the following is incorrect about the characteristic of the protobonds phosphates in the microsphere as investigated in the evolutionary origin of life? तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, they could maintain an internal environment. फिर आता है कि which one of the following pair of the items correctly belongs to the category of the organ mentioned in the आंसर होगा सी, in nephridia of the earthworm and messaging tubules of the cockroach excretory organs. फिर आता है कि the concept of the chemical evolution is based on, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी possible origin of the life by the combination of the chemicals under the suitable environmental conditions. फिर आता है the evolutionary history of an organism is known as, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी phylogeny. फिर आता है कि which of the following amino acid are not found to synthesize in the Miller experiment, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी glutamic acid. फिर आता है कि which of the following experiment suggests that simple living organism could not have originated or spontaneously from the non-living matter. आंसर है ऑप्शन डी कि मीट बाय नॉट spoiled been heated and kept and fled in a vessel. Next, according to the Oparin, which of the following by not present in the primitive atmosphere of the earth? आंसर है ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सीजन। फिर आता है identify the correct sequence in which the following substances have appeared under the course of the evolution of life on earth. आंसर है ऑप्शन बी अमोनिया, अमीनो एसिड, प्रोटीन और न्यूक्लिक एसिड। फिर आता है द फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म बेयर, आंसर है ऑप्शन बी कीमो हेटेरोट्रॉप्स। फिर आता है बीच वाज एब्सेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर एट द टाइम ऑफ द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द लाइफ, आंसर है ऑप्शन सी O2। फिर आते हैं ऑरिजिन ऑफ द स्पीसीज बाय रिटन बाय, आंसर है ऑप्शन डी डार्विन। नेक्स्ट इवोल्यूशन इज, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी हिस्ट्री एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द रेस अलोंग विद द वेरिएशन। फिर आता है फर्स्ट लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ बाय, आंसर है ऑप्शन बी कीमो हेटेरोट्रॉप्स। इसके बाद फिर आता है कि इसको मैचिंग करना है, तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए कि ए के चौथा एडिटिव रेडिएशन डार्विन प्रिंसेस, बी के तीसरा कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन विंग्स ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई एंड बर्ड, सी के दूसरा डाइवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन सिलेक्शन ऑफ द, इसका जाएगा ऑप्शन दूसरा बोन ऑफ द पॉलिम्स इन द मैन एंड मेल, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द एंट्रोपोजेनिक एक्शन, इसका जाएगा ऑप्शन पहला, ये हो जाएगा। फिर आता है कि एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट फॉर द इवोल्यूशन बाय परफॉर्म्ड बाय, आंसर है ऑप्शन ए हेक्कल। नेक्स्ट है कि द फिनोमेना ऑफ द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द डिफरेंट स्पीशीज इन अ गिवन जियोग्राफिकल एरिया ऑफ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट एंड स्प्रेडिंग to the other habitats is called, आंसर है ऑप्शन डी adaptive radiation. फिर आता है एम्ब्रियोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट फॉर द इवोल्यूशन बाय दिस प्रूव्ड बाय द, तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी अर्नेस्ट वॉन वेयर। नेक्स्ट है which of the following refers to a correct examples of the organism which have evolved due to change in the environment brought about by anthropogenic action। तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी दूसरा हेर्बिसाइड रेसिस्टेंट बीट्स, फिर तीसरा ड्रग रेसिस्टेंट डिग्रोड्स, और फिर जाएगा चौथा man created breeds of the domesticated animals like the dogs। फिर आता है flippers of the penguin and the dolphins are the example of the, तो ये तो भाई कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन है। फिर आता है इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया मार्सुपियल्स एंड द प्लेसेंटल मैमल्स हैव इवॉल्वड टू शेयर मैनी सिमिलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ इवोल्यूशन में भी रेफर टू है दी, तो 26 का आएगा डी कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन। फिर आता है इन स्पीसीज द weight of the newborn range from 2 to 5 kg. 97% of the newborn with an average weight between 3 to 3.5 kg survive, whereas 99% of the infants born with weight of 2 to 2.5 kg or 4.5 kg to the 5 kg die. Which type of selection process is taking place? Consider ऑप्शन ए of stabilizing selection। फिर उसके बाद आता है कि among the following sets of the examples for the divergent evolution select the incorrect option। 28 का क्या जाएगा, 28 का जाएगा डी आई ऑफ द ऑक्टोपस, बैट एंड द मैन। फिर आता है the similarity of the bone structure in the polyps of the many vertebrates, for example of considered often see homology. Next, analog of structure as a result of the considered often a convergent evolution. Which of the following structure is homologous to the wings of a bird, considered often see flippers of a whale? Next tag is the insect wings of a bird and the wings of insect are considered often be analogous of structure and represent the convergent evolution. The polyps of the cat lizard used in the walking, polyps of whale used in the swimming, and the polyps of the bat used in the flying are example of considered often see homologous organ. Which of the following are the analogous of structure? The chaunt is considered often a wings of the bat and the wings of the pigeon. फिर आता है the eye of the octopus and the eye of the cat for different pattern of the structure, yet they perform similar function. This is example of considered often see analogous organ that have evolved due to the convergent evolution. फिर आता है the process by which the organism with different evolutionary history evolve similar phenotypic adaptation in response to the common environmental challenge called considered often be convergent evolution. फिर उसके बाद आता है evolution of a different species in a given area of starting from a point and spreading to the other geographical area is known as considered often a adaptive radiation. Next है कि which of the following option gives one a correct example each of the convergent evolution and the divergent evolution. तो इसका हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए कि आई ऑफ ऑक्टोपस एंड मैमल्स बोन्स ऑफ द पोलिम्स एंड वर्टेब्रेट्स, ये हो जाता है कन्वर्जेंट में, और ये हो जाता है डाइवर्जेंट में, और ये हो जाता है कन्वर्जेंट में. नेक्स्ट है कि पेरियाटस इज कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन पेरिया इंसर्टियम नहीं है एनालिट्स एंड आर्थ्रोपोडा के. नेक्स्ट है कि डार्विन फिंचेस आर एन एक्सीलेंट एग्जांपल ऑफ कंसिडर्ड ऑफ एन एडेप्टिव रेडिएशन. फिर है कि थॉर्न ऑफ द बोगनविलिया एंड द टेंडल ऑफ द कुकुरबिट आर एग्जांपल ऑफ कंसिडर्ड ऑफ एन बी होमोलॉगस ऑर्गन. फिर उसके बाद आता है कि विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. इज कंसिडर्ड ऑफ डी ऑन्टोजेनी रिपीट्स द फाइलोजेनी. नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज कॉमन टू द व्हेल, सील एंड द शार्क, कंसिडर्ड ऑफ सी कन्वर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन. फिर आता है when two species of a different genealogy come to resemble each other as a result of adaptation, the phenomenon is termed as this considered of the convergent evolution. फिर आता है कि the finches of the Galapagos Island provide an evidence in the favor of considered of the biogeographical evolution. फिर आता है an important evidence in the favor of the organic evolution is the occurrence of the considered of the homologous and the vestigial organ. फिर आता है which of the following is the relatively most accurate method for dating of the fossils, considered of C electron spin resonance method. Next, using imprints from a plate with complete medium and carrying bacterial colonies, you can select streptomycin-resistant mutants and prove that such mutations do not originate as adaptation. So these imprints need to be used, consider often C, only on the plates with streptomycin. Presence of the gills in the tadpole of the frog indicates that consider often D frogs evolved from the gillid ancestor. What kind of evidence suggested that man is more closely related with the chimpanzee than with other hominoid apes? तो 50 considered often D evidence from the DNA extracted from the sex chromosome, autosomes and the mitochondria. फिर आता है कि age of the fossils in the past was generally determined by the radiocarbon method and other methods involving the radioactive elements found in the rocks. More precise method which were used recently and led up to the revision of the evolutionary periods for the organism different of the organism include considered often C electron spin resonance and the fossils DNA. फिर आता है convergent evolution used by the considered often A dogfish and the whale. फिर आता है कि which of the following describe correctly the homologous of structure, considered often be organs with the anatomical similarity but performing a different function. फिर आता है which of the following pair is homologous organ, considered often be wings of the birds and the pectoral fins of the fish. फिर आता है according to the fossil discovered up to the present time origin and evolution of the man was started from the considered often see Africa. फिर आता है कि sequence of the which of the following you to know the phylogeny. 56 क्या हो जाएगा, 56 हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी RRNA. फिर आता है कि रीजन ऑफ द डाइवर्सिटी इन द लिविंग बीइंग इज considered often C लॉन्ग टर्म evolutionary changes. फिर आता है similarities in the organism with different genotype indicates, considered often C convergent evolution. फिर आता है half life period of the few protein is about, considered often B 5,36 year. फिर आता है Darwin Finches provides an excellent evidence in the favor of the evolution. This evidence come from the field of the FAT considered क्या आ जाएगा, FAT considered often A biogeography. Next, which of the following pair has the homologous organs, considered often A pectoral fins of the fish and the polyps of the horsefish. फिर आता है the age of the fossils of the Diapithecus found the geological time of release, considered often B 25 year. मतलब which of the following is a living fossil, considered often D अपरिय इन्फिनिटी में अब नहीं है. Next है the homologous organs are those that show similarity in the, considered often B origin. अगला है homologous organs for transferable feet, pectoral fins for the fish and the pollens of the horse age. फिर आता है कि evolutionary convergence is the development of transferable a common set of the characteristic in the group of the different ancestry. फिर आता है study of the fossil fish transferable a paleontology. नेक्स्ट है कि hummingbirds and the hawk illustrates transferable adaptive radiation. नेक्स्ट है कि genetic drift operates on the transferable a small affiliated population. फिर आता है industrial melanoma is an example of transferable b natural selection का example है. फिर आता है variation in the gene frequency with population can occur by chance rather than by the natural selection. This is referred to as the transferable b genetic drift कहेंगे इसे. फिर आता है in the case of the preferred moth Bifton betullaria, the black colored form becomes dominant over the light colored form in England during the industrial evolution. This is an example of transferable natural selection whereby the darker forms were selected. Which of the following scientific name is correctly matched with the theory put forward by him? Transferable Bijman theory of the continuity of the germplasm. Next, select the correct statement from the following given option. Option B, fitness of the end result of the ability to adapt and get selected by the nature. Next, D. Ridge gave his mutation theory on the organic evolution while working on the transferable C on Thera Lamarckina. Next, which one of the following phenomena supports the Darwin concept of the natural selection in the organic evolution? Answer option C, prevalence of the pesticide resistant insect. फिर आता है Darwin in his natural selection did not believe in any role on which of the following is organic evolution? Answer option A, discontinuous variation. Next, in a random mating population in the equilibrium, which of the following brings about a change in the gene frequency of a non-directional manner? Answer option B, mutation. Next, a random genetic drift is a population probably result from the answer option B, highly genetically variable individuals. Which of the following sequence 5 proposed by the Darwin and Wallace for the organic evolution? Answer option B, overproduction, variation, constancy of the population size, natural selection. Genetic drift operates in answer option A small affiliated population. Region of diversity in the living being is answer option C, long-term evolutionary change. Darwin theory of the pangenesis so similarity with the theory of the inheritance of the acquired character. Then what will the correct according to it? Therefore, answer option D, there should be some physical basis of inheritance. The improvements of the gill slits in the embryo of all the vertebrates supports the theory of answer option A, biogenesis. Which one does not favor the Lamarckian concept of the inheritance of the acquired character? Answer option D, melanization of the peppered moth in the industrial areas. फिर आता है कि frequency of a character increase when it is answer option D, adaptable. Next है कि theory of the natural selection dwells on the answer option B, natural selection acting on the favorable variation. Bijman cut off the tails of the mice generation after generation, but tails neither dissipate nor shorten, showing that answer option D, कि Lamarckism was wrong in the inheritance of the acquired character. फिर आता है कि basic principles of the embryonic development were pronounced by the answer option A, von Baer. Next है कि continuity of the germplasm theory was given by the answer option B, Bijman. फिर आता है कि the theory of the inheritance of the acquired character was given by answer option B, Lamarck. फिर आता है species and association में the factor that leads to the boundary effect in the population is, तो इसका आंसर क्या आता है? D, genetic drift के कारण boundary effect है जो आता है. Next है कि a population of the species invading a new area, which of the following conditions will lead to the adaptive reduction? तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C, areas that many types of vacant habitats. फिर आता है कि which of the following represents order of the horses? तो इसका आ जाएगा Equidae. नहीं, ऑर्डर में आता है ये, पर इंसर्ट में भी नहीं है. Next in the Hardy-Weinberg equation, the frequency of the heterozygous individual is measured by the answer option B, 2pq. फिर आता है tendency of the population to remain intact to maintain the genetic equilibrium may be disturbed by the answer option D, lack of random mating. फिर आता है according to the Darwin, the organic evolution is due to the 91 answer option B, interspecies competition. फिर आता है कि adaptive radiation refers to the answer option B, evolution of the different species from a common ancestor. फिर आता है industrial melanism as observed in the peppered moth proves that answer option B, the melanin form of the moth has no selective advantage over the latter form in the industrial area. नहीं, इसका आंसर option A, कि the trunk, इसका आंसर option है कि the true black melanic form arise by the recurring random mutation. फिर आता है one of the important consequence of the geographical location is answer option C, of precision in through the reproductive isolation. फिर आता है which of the following is a not a living fossil? Answer option C, Archaeopteryx. Jurassic period of the Mesozoic era is characterized by answer option D, gymnosperm are dominant plant and the first bud appears. फिर आता है कि industrial melanism is an example of answer option C, darkening of skin due to smoke from the industry. फिर in which condition the gene ratio remains constant for an species, then फिर ऑप्शन बी रैंडम मेटिंग। नेक्स्ट है कि इन विच era reptiles were dominant, then फिर ऑप्शन बी मेसोजोइक era। फिर आता है occurrence of the endemic species in the South America and Australia due to, then फिर ऑप्शन बी continental drift separation। फिर आता है genetic drift operates only in the, then फिर ऑप्शन ए smaller population। फिर आता है in general in the developmental history of the mammalian heart, it is observed that it passes through the two-chambered fish-like heart, three-chambered frog-like heart, finally to the four-chambered stage. To which hypothesis can the above cited example be approximated? And फिर ऑप्शन सी बायोजेनिक लॉ। फिर आता है कि गोल्डन एज ऑफ द डायनासोर, एज ऑफ द रेप्टाइल बाय, तो फिर ऑप्शन ए मीजोइक। फिर आता है कि द अर्लीस्ट फॉसिल इन द पाइलोजेनी ऑफ हॉर्स, तो फिर ऑप्शन सी तो पर्याप्त नहीं है। फिर द टू जियोग्राफिकल रीजन सेपरेटेड बाय द हाई माउंटेन फार, तो फिर ऑप्शन बी Palearctic and the Oriental. Next, the genetic drift is change of, then फिर ऑप्शन सी gene frequency from the one generation to the next. फिर आता है करेक्ट ऑर्डर ही, फिर ऑप्शन सी पैलियोजोइक, मेसोजोइक और फिनोजोइक। फिर आता है पैरेललिज्म इज, फिर ऑप्शन डी adaptive convergence of the closely related groups. Next है कि hominid fossil discovered in Java in 1891, now extinct, having cranial capacity of about 9 cm, फिर ऑप्शन ए Homo erectus। फिर आता है which of the following statement is correct about the origin and evolution of the man, then फिर ऑप्शन डी Neanderthal man lived in Asia between the 1 लाख and 40,000 years back। फिर आता है मैच दी होमनिड विद द करेक्ट बेन साइज, तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी कि एक हो जाएगा तीसरा होमो हैबिलिस का 650 का 800 सीसी, फिर होमो निएंडरथालिस का 1400 सीसी, होमो इरेक्टस का हो जाएगा 900 सीसी, होमो सेपियंस का 1350 सीसी। इस प्रकार से फिर आता है कि द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ द इवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम द अर्ली टू द रिसेंट एज, तो सबसे हो जाएगा बी रामापिथेकस और ऑस्ट्रेलोपिथेकस, फिर होमो हैबिलिस, होमो इरेक्टस। नेक्स्ट है कि व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट ट्रेंड इन द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द मॉडर्न मैन, होमो सेपियंस फ्रॉम द एंसेस्टर, तो फिर ऑप्शन सी इंक्रीज इन द ब्रेन कैपेसिटी। फिर आता है द एक्सटिंक्ट ह्यूमन हु लिव्ड 10,000 से 40,000 ईयर्स अगो इन द यूरोप, एशिया एंड द पार्ट ऑफ द अफ्रीका with the short of stature, heavy eye, brows, retracing forehead, large jaw with a heavy teeth, a stocky body, lumbering gait, and a stupid posture was considered often Neanderthal human. Next है कि among the ancestor, the brain size by more than 1,000 cc in considered often है Homo, ठीक है, Neanderthal में। Next है कि there are two opposing views but about origin of the modern man. According to one view, Homo erectus and the Asia were the ancestor of the modern man. A study of the variation of the DNA, however, suggested the African origin of the modern man. What kind of observation on the DNA variation could suggest this considered often a greater variation in the Asia than in the Africa. फिर आता है कि in the recent years, DNA sequence nucleotide of mtDNA and the biochromosome were considered for the study of the human evolution because considered often say कि they are uniparental in origin and do not take part in the recombination. फिर आता है कि which of the following is correct order of the evolutionary history of the man, तो फिर ऑप्शन सी Peking man, Heidelberg man, Neanderthal और Cro-Magnon। फिर आता है which of the following is closest relative of the man, तो इसका आंसर ऑप्शन ए चिंपैंजी। नेक्स्ट है कि होमो सैपियंस evolved during the, तो फिर ऑप्शन ए प्लेस्टोसीन। फिर आता है which of the following feature is closely related with the evolution of the man, तो फिर ऑप्शन बी shortening of jaw। फिर आता है which of the following primate is closely related to the humans, तो फिर ऑप्शन सी गोरिल्ला। फिर आता है which is the not a vestigial part of the humans, तो फिर ऑप्शन बी fingernails। नेक्स्ट है कि which of the following statement is correct, तो आंसर आएगा बी Homo erectus is the ancestor of the man। फिर आता है common origin of the man and the chimpanzee best shown by, तो आंसर ऑप्शन ए bending pattern in the chromosome number 3 and 6। नेक्स्ट है which of the following statement about the fossil human is correct, तो आंसर ऑप्शन डी कि Homo erectus was preceded by the Homo habilis। नेक्स्ट है कि which of the following features of the include only the vestigial structure of a man, आंसर ऑप्शन सी coccyx, nictitating membrane, vermiform appendix in the ear muscles। नेक्स्ट है which of the following is regarded as the direct ancestor of the modern man, तो इसका आंसर ऑप्शन डी Cro-Magnon। फिर आता है which one is irrelevant to the evolution of the man, तो आंसर ऑप्शन डी loss of the tail। तो यहाँ पर इवोल्यूशन इसका पी वाई क्यू कंप्लीट होता है।